Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to translate Microsoft Word documents into any language using Google Gemini AI. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Gemini AI app. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this plus sign right here. Go ahead and click on Files. Then go ahead and look for Documents. Then select your MS Word document right here. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and ask Gemini, can you please extract the document it sent? Just like what you see right here, successfully extracted. After extracting the document, next thing we want to do is to see how we can translate from this language to any other language of our choice. And for that, what we want to do is to come to Ask Gemini right here. You can say, can you please translate the above text to Chinese and hit on send. So you have everything right here in Chinese language, from DOC document to the Chinese translated. So once you are satisfied with the result, go ahead and click on here to copy the text. You can paste the text in another MS Word. Or better still, you can click on here. This allows you to listen to the audio notes.
Here's the Chinese translation of the text extracted from your document. 文档内容翻译 Document Translation 来源依据来源一 Lorem ipsum dolor id amet 旨在现在已经验证了来源二前庭既没有主张也没有理在这中间
It's that simple. You can go on and translate to different type of language of your choice. Let's say we want to translate. Can you please translate the above text to English and hit on send? Now we have it back in English language right here. You can go on and translate to different kind of language as the case may be. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.